to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on facial emotion recognition using Python with fear library, with deface library, with using OpenCV, with facial emotion recognition from dataset using Keras, then face alignment, then removing unwanted objects from the image, and image facial emotion recognition classification from Tensorflow, Keras, and many more. But one thing you might have noticed in my all videos of facial emotion recognition, that it takes little bit extra efforts to recognize the facial emotion using all my videos up till now, facial emotion recognition. But today you will find something accurate, really accurate about facial emotion recognition, because today I will be doing facial emotion recognition using mediapipe. We have gone through few videos on mediapipe. In using mediapipe, facial emotion recognition become little bit approximately 100% easy. We have gone through few videos on mediapipe, that facial landmark, our previous videos, and face alignment, previous videos. So we have used in both these videos I used mediapipe library. Today's video is really interesting and creative. In today's video I will be recognizing the facial emotion recognition using mediapipe. So libraries I have used that are mediapipe, OpenCV, Tensorflow, matplotlib, and scikit. So we will go through the program. This is all about the program. Video capture and this thing, and here we have used mediapipe and key points which are very important for accuracy of the image. These are the key point classifier and so on. And then weight key I use. I have to show you the this is about mediapipe and this thing to capture the key points. These are the emotions. Neutral is possible, surprise, sad and happy. Anger I am little bit finding difficult. Now we will execute the program. Yes. Neutral is detected very fast, then happy is detected, then surprise. Sad is detecting fine. Angry it is not detecting little bit, but it is showing due to scikit, and it is very fine, nice screen is there. Yes, all emotions has been detected. Fine. So I successfully done with facial emotion recognition using mediapipe. This time I had done it a little bit easier and accurate rather than my all previous video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python with face alignment, then speech recognition, lot of videos, then using CNN, using Tensorflow, using Keras, and much more, using attendance system, my favorite topic, and age and gender classification, face detection, stimuli. I like to do more videos on stimuli. So for latest update about my machine learning Python videos, keep watching my channel on YouTube, sanjaymahajanyoutube.com. Thanks for watching.